Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at South Cumberland State Park and we are hiking. We are doing Greeter Falls Trail today and it is just under a mile. I would say this is an intermediate trail just because of the rock formations and inclines. It does not look appealing. This trail is super wet.
But at least it's not mud.
Come on, baby. Can't see anything right now, but I can hear the first waterfall for sure. Wow, I haven't even seen, like we barely have stepped into this trail, which I know it's a short trail, so we're gonna see a lot in a short amount of time, but this is so pretty. The way the roots basically like just come down this hill and the rocks and the water, it's just so pretty and it's just so nice. It like basically you go from walking on this regular old path and then you just kind of get immersed into this beautiful spot where you can hear the waterfall, and we haven't even seen that yet. We're just at the top of it and I can hear birds, and I think this is one of the trails that I read where it's a good birding trail. So it is super early in the morning and it's like just really nice. So super excited that we got here before basically anybody. There was only one car in the parking lot, so we may not even see anybody while we're here. That's pretty cool. Remy, what'd you think? Is it beautiful? Yeah. Careful.
Stop the clocks, the bees are humming in between the contrasts of our souls.
Does it look cool? Woo! It's so nice and misty out here. Wow, just wow. Oh my gosh. Hold on, buddy. Come on, let's go over here. Y'all have fun and be careful. We're going this way, baby. The stairs for Remy was not an option. It was too slippery, too scary, and he can't walk on that kind of flooring. So the boys are gonna go down and see the falls. We're gonna attempt to go see the falls up here. Remy did not like parting ways though. He doesn't understand. You see your daddy? This is so beautiful. It is kind of scary having a dog out here because he's like so excited. But as long as you keep him from the edge, you're fine.
Gorgeous. Wait till you go down there though.
Is it really beautiful down there?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Remy had a blast down here.
I see. Roll.
Yeah, no, he hasn't rolled yet. But he keeps trying to get to the edge. Guys, I am not gonna lie, that is probably the biggest waterfall that I've ever seen in person this close in my whole entire life. It is so cool. gonna say day made. That was great.
It's a pretty impressive waterfall, isn't it?
Just about fell. Wow.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
It's pretty.
Yeah, this is really pretty. I like how it's like all foggy. Sun's kind of just coming out now. It's still super early. It's only 8:30.
Up above.
We're going up. We are going up.
I'm tired of walking up.
Remy is too. Look at him.
These are all gnomes from Arendelle or around Arendelle.
Are you talking about all the mossy rocks?
Yeah.
Okay.
The gnomes.
The gnomes. They're all gonna pop out in a second.
And yeah, sing us a ditty.
You having fun, Remy? This bridge is so bouncy. It's really cool though. Wow, and just to go over this beautiful, basically waterfall, because the waterfall literally is like right here. It's really neat. I like it. Come on, let's go. Come on, Whiskers. So when we started this hike today, I actually thought we were going to see a couple waterfalls and it would be short and easy, but that is definitely not 100% the case. So we stumbled across several waterfalls today. They were all so beautiful, bigger than I've ever seen before. We were in awe. The beauty of the landscape just kind of takes you in and you just get immersed real quick. The beginning of the hike actually didn't have me thinking that we would be seeing anything interesting, but once we kind of started getting close to the first waterfall, that's when it started getting really pretty. But like I said, this is an intermediate hike just because of the inclines and the waterfalls. Remy was able to do the whole hike with us today. The only thing he wasn't able to do was the stairs to the very bottom of the first waterfall that we came across, which is very understandable once we went down the stairs. You can't do anything down there. And it's very scary. But all in all, today was a beautiful hike. We did it in just under an hour and a half, but honestly, we could spend a couple of hours here. We thought it was just really pretty, and honestly, after doing 2 hikes at this state park in the past couple of days, we definitely want to get back out and explore more of this state park since it's so large and it's so beautiful. But thank you guys for following along, and we hope you enjoyed, and we hope to see you in the next one. Bye guys!